Hey, what's up everybody? It's your boy Dwight, the Good Energy Affiliate is back. Got another good video for you. Today I'm going to talk about how to choose your niche, how to choose the area that you're going to be working in. So if you're brand new to affiliate marketing and you're just getting started, don't really know which way to go, this is the video for you. So before we get started, make sure you like that, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button so you can get the videos as soon as I post them for you. Now if you're ready, let's go ahead and get started. All right, so before I talk about how to choose your niche, let me talk about what a niche is and exactly why you need to choose one. Okay, so first, a niche is basically your area that you're going to be working in. Okay, so like for instance, within affiliate marketing, they have, there's niches like, okay, let's say your niche is make money online or business opportunity or health and fitness, or cryptocurrency, or gambling, or education, or there's so many what you would call a niche. Okay, and then within a lot of niches, there's what's called a sub niche. There's like a niche within a niche. Okay, now for instance, let's just say health and fitness was your niche. Okay, within the health and fitness niche, you might want to focus only on, how to tone your abs, or, focus on only on healthy diets, or, only on, certain aspects of health and fitness. We know anything within health and fitness within a more specific aspect of that niche will be considered a sub niche. Okay, so now that you know what a niche is, let's talk about why you need to choose one. All right. When you starting with affiliate marketing, you're gonna want to focus your efforts, okay? And I can tell you from experience that I was one of the hard-headed in the beginning that I said, I don't have to choose one niche. I can do more than one niche. If you saw some of my past videos, you might have heard me say that the very first product that I ever promoted was the custom keto diet, And I always knew that I wanted to be in the business opportunity, make money online niche because, if you saw my story, when I started because of the pandemic, I knew that a lot of people were going to want to know how to make money online and learn how to make money online. And I wanted to be able to share everything that I was learning. Okay, so, but I didn't want to give up and say, oh, I can only do this one thing. So I started off trying to promote stuff in health and fitness. And what I started to notice was that when my efforts were not being focused on one area, I wasn't getting any results from any area, and not only that, when I came along to building an email list, I was building the email list for health and fitness, and I'm building the email list for, affiliate marketing as far as make money online and business opportunity. And, again, I'm still a beginner at all of this, and I'm trying to take in all this information, and I was just spreading myself too thin. So again, I can speak from experience on why you need to pick one specific niche. So now that we got that out of the way, let's talk about how to actually choose your niche, all right? Now, when you're choosing your niche, the first criteria, it has to be something that is evergreen. If you've seen some of my other videos, I've talked about evergreen before. Evergreen meaning that it's something that is always going to be here. It's not something that's, here right now and going tomorrow. So for instance, health and fitness, make money online, gambling, you want to try to choose something that you're interested in and you're passionate about, because this is a subject that's going to be filling up a lot of your time, so it's going to be something that's evergreen, that's always going to be here. It's not going to be something that's going to be going away anytime soon. Okay, so the next criteria when picking your niche is you got to make sure that it's something that's profitable. Okay, you definitely want to make sure that it's something that you enjoy and that that you're passionate about. But at the end of the day, if you want to run an affiliate marketing business or any kind of business, it has to be profitable. Okay, so if you're really passionate about, raccoon tails, that might be a great thing for you, but it's probably not going to be a very big audience. So it may not be something that's very profitable to be in that niche, if you're like in the pet niche, so, whatever it is, you want it to be profitable. All right, so the next thing to think about when you're picking your niche is the competition. All right, now I'm of the mindset that the bigger the competition, the bigger the market. So that means I wouldn't be afraid of a niche, that because there's so many people doing it. For me, if there's so many people in that niche, that means there's a big market for it. So the bigger the market, that means I only need a small percentage of that bigger market, to make my share. Okay. And on the flip side, if there's absolutely no competition, maybe there's a reason for that. Again, I'll go back to the raccoon tail instance. If you're in the pet niche and you're looking at trying to choose a sub niche of focusing on raccoon tails or any kind of tail, let's say pet tails in general, you're probably not going to have a big audience. There's probably not a lot of competition there, and there may be a good reason for that. So those are things to think about when you're choosing your niche. The competition that you're in. Do you want to be in the big competition, or do you want to be in the small competition? But I'm of the mindset that the bigger the competition, the bigger the market. Now, the last criteria I would use for choosing a niche is to make sure that it has something that has multiple offers. Okay, I'm never a fan of putting all eggs in one basket. And affiliate marketing, again, one of the biggest things for me, or one of the best parts about it, is the ability to create multiple streams of income. All right, so whenever you're choosing your niche, you want to make sure that it has, a sub niche, and maybe even a sub niche to a sub niche, and maybe even a sub niche to a sub niche to a sub niche. You want to make sure that there's plenty of offers available, so that you can find the best quality offers to, make offers available to your audience. All right, guys, so there you have it. When choosing your niche, make sure it's something that's evergreen, make sure it's profitable, make sure it's something that has competition, and make sure that it has multiple offers available to you. So as always, hope you guys like this video. If you do, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, drop your comments, let me know what you think. I always love the feedback. It's your boy, Good Energy Affiliate. Wish you guys much success, whatever you do. As always, signing off to the next time.